10th class students, today we start with chapter 13. Chapter 13 deals with section formula. Section formula is about a point which divides a line in certain ratio. Let this ratio be m1 and m2, and coordinates of point A are x1, y1, coordinates of point B are x2, y2. This point P, let it coordinates be x and y. This point P divides the line in certain ratio. Let this ratio be m1 is to m2. Then we have to find these points, point P, coordinates of the point P. First we have to find x, then we have to find y. How do we find x? For x it is m1 x2 plus m2 x1. We cross the ratio multiplication upon m1 plus m2. Then how do we find y? Again I cross m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is the formula to find coordinates of P, x and y. This formula we will use in this chapter. So I start with exercise 13a. Question number 1, part 2 I do. Here A is minus 4, 6, B is 3 and minus 5. This point P divides in the ratio 3 is to 2. Then we have to find xy. So x is m1 x2 3 into 3 plus m2 x1 2 into minus 4 upon m1 plus m2. So x is 3 into 3 9, 2 minus 4 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 3 plus 2 5, 1 upon 5. Y is m1 y2 3 into minus 5 plus m2 y1 2 into 6 upon m1 plus m2. So it is 3 into minus 5 minus 15, 2 into 6 12, m1 plus m2 3 plus 2. So 12 minus 15 minus 3 upon 5. So the point P is 1 upon 5 and minus 3 upon 5. Question number 3. Here we have to find ratio in which the point is dividing. The point in what ratio is the line joining 2 and minus 4, minus 3 and 6 is divided by the point is divided by y-axis. Any point on y-axis is 0, y. So when I have to find ratio, in this question I have to find ratio. So remember, when I have to find ratio, I take ratio m is to 1. Every time when I have to find ratio, I take ratio m is to 1. So now 0 is equal to m1 x2 m into minus 3 plus m2 x1 1 into 2 upon m1 plus m2 m plus 1. So 0 is equal to minus 3m plus 2 upon m plus 1. Then I cross multiply. 0 into anything is 0. So 0 is equal to minus 3m plus 2. It means 3m is equal to 2. M is 2 upon 3. Now a ratio is m is to 1. This ratio, put camera here, ratio is m is to 1. So value of m is 2 by 3. Ratio 1. So 3 will get multiplied, 2 ratio 3. This is my answer. So this point, y-axis will divide this line in the ratio 2 is to 3. Then question number 5 I do. In what ratio does the point A6, here also I have to find ratio. First point is minus 4 3. Second point of line is 2 8. A and 6, let it divides in the ratio m is to 1. Now I don't know the value of A, then I know the value of 6. So 6 is, now it is y is equal to m1 y2 m into 8 plus m2 y1 m1 into 3. Now I have not taken x because I don't know the value of A. I know the value of 6. So I have taken y coordinates, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m plus 1. Then I cross multiply, 6 into m plus 1 is 8m plus 3. Then 6m plus 6 is 8m plus 3. So 2m is equal to 3, m is equal to 3 by 2, then m ratio 1 is 3 by 2 ratio 1 or 3 ratio 2. You will get multiplied. That is answer. Also I have to find the value of A. Now to find the value of A, again draw the line. This line is minus 4 3, then 2 8, point is A6. Now I know the ratio. This ratio is 3 is to 2. I found in the previous part. Now A is equal to m1 x2, 3 into 2, m2 x1, 2 into minus 4 upon m1 plus m2, 3 plus 2. So A is equal to 3, 2 3 is 6, 2 into minus 4 minus 8 upon 3 plus 2 5. So A is equal to minus 2 upon 5. That is the answer. Then question number 9 I do. Others are same type of questions. Question number 9. The line joining the points A, minus 3 and minus 10. Second point is minus 2 and 6 is divided by the point P. This is point A, this is point B, this is point P. AP upon PB upon AB is equal to 1 upon 5. Now let PB equal to X, then AB is equal to 5X. I have to find the ratio. If I take PB is equal to X, then AB is 5X. Then what is AP? AP is AB minus PB. This whole line is 5x AB and PB is x. Then AP is AB minus PB. 5x minus x, it is 4x. Now AP is 4x, PB is x. So ratio will be 4:1. It is 4x, it is x. So ratio is 4:1. AP ratio PB. Now AP is 4x, PB is x. So ratio is 4/1 or 4:1. Now I have to find coordinates of P. Let coordinates of P be x and y. Now what is x equal to? m1 x2, 4 into minus 2, m2 x1, same formula, 1 into minus 3 upon m1 plus m2, 4 plus 1. So x is minus 8 minus 3 upon 5, so it is minus 11 upon 5. Then y is equal to m1 y2, 4 into 6, m2 y1 plus 1 into minus 10 upon m1 plus m2. So y is 24 minus 10 upon 5, it is 14 upon 5. So the point P is minus 11 upon 5 and 14 upon 5. This is the answer. Then question number 12 I do. So line is calculate the ratio in which the line joining A65 B is 4 and minus 3. Equation of this line is y is 2, y is equal to 2. So I have to find the ratio in which this line divides this line. Let this point be P. So any point on on the line y is equal to 2 is x and 2. Y will remain 2, x will vary because y is equal to 2 always. So this line divides A and B, in which ratio I have to find. So I write any point on line y is equal to 2 is x and 2, because y will always remain 2, x I take x varies. Now when I have to find ratio, I take ratio m is to 1. I take ratio m is to 1. Now I know the point 2. I don't know the value of x. So I take 2. 2 is equal to m1 y2. I have to take y coordinate because this is y coordinate. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m plus 1. Then I cross multiply. 2 into m plus 1 is minus 3m plus 5. 2m plus 2 is minus 3m plus 5. 2m plus 3m 5m. 5 minus 2 3. M is 3 upon 5. So ratio is m is to 1, 3 upon 5 ratio 1 or 3:5. This is question number 12. Then question number 13. Question number 13. it is I have been given coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. The point P, this point P is 5 and -4. Divides the line segment in the ratio 2:5. 2:5 to line AB. Remember 2, because it divides AB in the 2:5. So 2 I take on the side of A, 5 I take on the side of B. Now what will be the coordinates of A? Point A is, it lies on x-axis, so it will be x and 0. Point B is 0, y, because it lies on y-axis. So this is P 5 and -4. This is 0 and y. This is x and 0. Now what is x equal to? I have to find value of x and y. This point P is 5 and -4. For simplification I draw like that. This point A is x0. This point B is 0, y. The ratio is 2:5. Now what is 5 equal to? m1 x2, 2 into 0 plus 5 into x, m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, 2 plus 5. 5 is equal to 2 into 0 is 0, 5x upon 7. So x is equal to 5 into 7. This 7 will get multiplied, 5 will get divided. 5 cancels with 5, x is 7. Then -4 is equal to m1 y2, 2 into y plus m2 y1, 5 into 0. Same formula everywhere, upon m1 plus m2. So -4 is equal to 2y. This becomes 0 upon 2 plus 5, 7. So 7 into -4, -28 is 2y. Y is -28 upon 2 or -14. So A is equal to, value of A, point A is x0. Point A is x0, value of x is 7. So point A is 7, 0. Point B is 0 by 0, value of y is -14. That is my answer. With this, I come to end of this class. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay inside.